New data shows more parents across Australia are suffering from depression and anxiety. The figures are even more concerning in regional areas of our country where there's a lack of support available to community members.
It's an issue affecting all regional communities.
Postnatal depression and anxiety is an epidemic, and it's particularly prevalent in rural and regional communities where services and support can be lacking. I myself suffered from postnatal depression after both my children.
New data from the Gidget Foundation has found that many regional parents are suffering from anxiety and depression as they're unable to access necessary services.
We're seeing, 21%, that's 1 in 5 regional parents have emotional support but not practical support when it comes to parenthood. 36% struggle to connect with other parents. That's where that social isolation piece really comes in.
Some of the practical support that regional communities struggle with is access to babysitters and cleaners, along with being unable to find support groups within communities.
Overnight, I lost my village. There was a complete lack of support, a lack of services. I didn't have access to something as simple as a mother's group, and I felt so alone and so isolated. That is the reality of what many rural and regional families and parents are facing.
Many regional services claim parents are struggling with wait times.
We're referring clients on for support, but they're not being picked up due to the long wait list.
Given the high demand, parents and advocates are calling for more telehealth services to be available.
We need to get real about the services and the boots on the ground that are available. And if there are not boots on the ground available, this is where those telehealth services have to fill these holes.
Luke Secret, Win News.